welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you some of my garden and my projects, what I'm be doing right now in these sunny days. And as you know, it's Easter holiday now, so I can do whatever I want in my garden. I don't have to stress about the school. And I'm going to make some raised bed from pallets, and I'm going to show you how I do that. But firstly, I'm going to show you what my plan is. So I'm going to head outside and I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to show you how I assemble or deassemble this pallet, and I'm going to show you some ideas for how and what you can grow in small gardens like this. So I'm outside right now, and this is the pallet I'm going to assemble and make two raised beds from this, as you can see. And I'm going to show you, I have my measuring tape, and I'm going to this is this nasturtium that I sowed, looking really pretty. Because of the wind they are a little dull. This is a tomato seedlings that is dead now. I just placed it out there just to think that if this lives, then I can plant all the others, but it's not alive, it's dead, so I'm going to wait. And I'm going to show you what my plan is. So as you can see, these are the roses, really pretty. They're getting leaves, especially this one. This is the red rose, got leaves. Really happy to see. So let me just show you. Hold the camera straight like that. As you can see, this is the place where I'm going to have two raised beds, like 50 by 100 raised bed here, and on the top here 50 by 100 again. So this one will be turnip, this one will be salads or lettuce. And for this one, for tomato bed, I'm going to have pallet borders from there, from all of the corners, because that would look pretty. And I'm going to just fix the top here and a topsoil here, because top dress because this doesn't look pretty right now. And I'm going to fill these with nasturtiums that I showed you, and these one with tomatoes, and they would have a bottom because the tomatoes will also grow in the ground. So I'm going to reassemble this palette. I'm going to show you what I do. For that, I would like to show you my tulips. Really excited, as you can see, getting flowers, nearly open. Really excited. This is the variegated one, or the color with shade colors and things like that. These are the alliums. Alliums is also getting some buds, but they're going to flower in the summer. And the citrus tree is really looking great, because it's still, even it's still cold outside, it's doing great. As you can see, this is the bed. It doesn't look pretty, but when I have some borders here, then it will look really nice and pretty. So I'm really excited. So let me just show you this one. So it is actually the next day, or basically 3 days after, because we had a rain, and yesterday it was really sunny but windy. Today it's not windy but really sunny, because we have a small heat wave, we can say, in UK. And I'm going to show you the process of what we're doing, and new plans basically for the peas as well. But my plans change, and but I want to update you on that and show you what's going on in my garden right now. So I'm going to go out and show you my peas, which are there now, and I'm going to show you what I've done with them and what I'm going to do with the pallets, and make how I'm going to make a raised bed out of it. So basically I'm out right now. Let's show you. This is the tomato bed. I'm going to fill up with these bottles with soil, and I've moved all the peas from here to here. As you can see, I think it's better because it has, I can stick the stick in the ground and not in the pot, because the stick is really laggy and really moves when it's in the pot, because the pot is shallow, not so deep, and it's in on the bare soil, so that's good. They can grow roots under it if they want to. And I'm going to have raised bed here. I'm sorry for the neighbor's dog. As you can see, I'm going to have 2 raised beds here or 2 raised beds here. I'm not sure, but I'm going to see what's going on. I just want to show you everything right now, and I moved things here and there every time. This is still the strawberry. As you can see, I'm going to show you one thing more. That's the nasturtiums that I grew from seeds, looking really great. Not many of them has germinated, so I've sowed more of the tall assorted because I'm going to have many more, and I have sowed many more of these as well. Sorry, these ones, because these were just 2 of them that's come up, and I need at least 3 of each variety, and many of these tall assorted because I'm going to have tall assorted in that one as well, because that will look pretty. And I moved my strawberries here. I think I showed you yesterday, but I don't know, not sure. But I wanted to show you that I moved my piece here, and I'm going to have 1 raised bed and 1 raised bed, or 1 raised bed here, 1 raised. What do you think, guys? Please comment below and tell me and what you think about where I'm going to have my raised bed. So these are the planks. My dad have helped me, or he has just cut off the planks, and I'm going to make, or he's going to make a raised bed out of it, and that look really pretty. 2 raised bed out of it, and I'm really excited to grow salads and turnips. I can't wait. Let me just show you the radish. If I'm still here, they are getting clumps. They are getting really red. That indicates that they are going to swell up. That's good. More radish and more strawberries. Good. The benefit of moving all of these from here, and I can enter the tomato beds from this side, or the 3 big pots that I have from this side. So that's really easy to actually enter now. I'm really happy that I actually moved the piece, because they were the only problem. But I'm really happy for what is I'm going to do, because I moved the piece, and I'm going to have, just normal string to them for them to climb on. I'm gonna have to move the spider web as well. They made this yesterday, I don't know why. But everything's looking fine, and I think it will look really pretty once all it's done, because I'm going to not have actually the strawberries here. I'm going to put strawberries like 4, 4, 4. I may remove that, and I'm going to have 4 strawberries, 4, and then in a row, not in a clump. And I may have my what's it called again? Yeah, sorry, kiwi and citrus on the corners, there and there, and because I want to have this artificial turf, really space. I want to have really much space in artificial turf, so that we can grill, barbecue, or sit here and enjoy while our plants are there. Hello everyone, it's next day now, and we have finished our raised bed project, and I'm really excited to show you how the raised bed looks. And the raised beds are also measured so that they are really straight and they are not in a slope, because as you know, our garden is a slope, and when it rains, the bottom of the slope gets more water and the top of the slope doesn't get even a water, so plants do not like it. So we made a raised bed, and it's look really pretty. Even if it's made of pallets, it's free and cheap to make your own raised bed from just used pallets. So I really hope you enjoy when I'm going to show you. So I'm outside right now, and there's my cat. So sweet, cute. Look here. Once really bad pet. Ooh. He really wants petting. That's a really cute boy. cute. Now back to the theme. I'm going to show you the raised beds. As you can see, I told you yesterday what I did, and there are the raised beds. Really happy. They get 8 hours sun, both of them. I've looked at, they get 8 hours sun, no, 6 to 8 hours sun. This one is 100 by 50, this one is 90 by 45, and this one is smaller than this one. This one longer as well. As you can see, I balanced them to make them stable and really in zero balance. As you can see, they look really pretty as well. They look actually really nice, to be honest, even if they're made from pallets. Really cheap as well, really good. As you can see, we have had 2 more planks or pieces of planks that we are screwed 2 pallet boards onto each other so that we get more deeper raised beds. We could have 3, but I really wanted just 2 of them, not more than that. As you can see, I'm just going to grow salads and turnips, maybe carrots as well. I don't know. I'm really excited at what I'm going to grow. As you can see, they are really pretty. I'm going to fill up with more soil. Maybe I want to have plastic under it so that weeds don't grow. And we have you know, screwed this in to screw these 2 onto each other, and then we have screwed these 2 smaller boards onto this one so that we have full pallet now. As you can see, they look really pretty. I have placed them like that because I can go inside here and then harvest and plant what I'm going to plant. They look really pretty anyway, even if they are made from pallets. What do you think? Leave a comment. And my father and my dad made it for me, and it's really nice. And he also thought that we are going to make some borders or edging on the tomato bed so that it looks nicer. So what we are going to do, we are going to have edging here, 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 and here. And I placed 1 tomato outside so that I know that they can live or survive the cold temperature if we have. And then I'm going to plant all others outside when it's time to plant them. Around end of April, I think I'm going to plant all of my tomatoes outside. And I'm going to show the peas. And also I'm going to show a really happy thing. One of my blooms on tulips have bloomed. I'm really happy. This is the first time in my life that I've actually planted tulips from bulbs. Sorry, it was the neighbor if you hear that. And as you can see, the pallets look really pretty. And I will see you soon, but first I'm going to show you my tulips, and then let me just, really cute. Sorry, I'm going to go and show you my tulips now. More, this is the tulips I wanted to show you. I'm so happy. Aren't they pretty? Really beautiful. More of them are opening nearly. Yesterday it was really closed. Really happy that they're actually growing. Aren't they so pretty? Look at them. Looks like poppies, but really pretty. So I really hope you enjoy the video. and I will see you later in the next video. Bye. So it's afternoon and the sun is about to go down, and this is what the tulips looks like when the sun is gone. I'm going to make a video about that, of why it actually happens.